Okay, you know me by now, coffee. I've lived on coffee for the past 6 weeks, so here's mine to help me do this. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, adjusting to standard form. Okay, so we're confident with clip 1, 2, 2 and 1, 2, 3, which we're changing to standard form and changing standard form to ordinary numbers. So now we're looking at, can we adjust to standard form? So what you've got to do, remember, is standard form has to be a number. That number has to be between 1 and 10, but not 10. So any number times by 10 to the power of something. Remember, if that's a positive number, then it's going to be a large, and if it's a negative number, it's really small. Example, large numbers could be measures of planets or masses of planets or distances, and the minus one might be the size of a cell or a virus, for example. So it's got to look like this. This number has to be between 1 and 10. So you'll notice from this part that is not between 1 and 10. So first of all, you choose a number that's got to be between 1 and 10. So you'd go, right, where can I put this decimal point to make it a number between 1 and 10? So if I move it 2 places, that will be 2.7. So what have I done to get that? Well, I've gone 1, 2. So I've times by 100 or 2 tens. So I've times by 100 or 10 squared. So where have I got that 2 lots of 10 or 100 from? Well, the only place I can take it from is here. So if I'm multiplying by 100, I need 2 tens. So where am I going to get those 2 tens from? So I'm going to take them from this 9. So that 9, then you take 2 off it, which means divide by 100, and that makes 7. So it becomes 2.7 times 10 to the power of 7. So those two numbers are the same. If you wanted to check, you could check through that those would be the same. Next one, just the number into correct standard form. So difference here, this has got a minus power. Still the same process, just be careful, take care with negative numbers. So we need to go 1 to make it 8.3. So we need to times it by 10. So we need to borrow a 10 from somewhere. So I've got to borrow it from here. So I've got to take away 1 from there. If I take 1 away from that, it doesn't become minus 4, it becomes minus 6. So 8.3 times 10 to the minus 6 is the same as 0.83 times 10 to the minus 5. That's done. So if you want to check these are right, you can turn the two numbers into ordinary numbers and then see if you get the same answer. So this one would be 2, 7. And then you know it's going to be power of 9. So I've gone from there, I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So using commas for thousands, 27 million. The second one, 2.7. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So commas. Missed one off, 7. So commas go like that. So even teachers make mistakes. So that should be, check it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yep. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's got 3 6 zeros on the front, don't need them. And 3 6 zeros, and then 2 7. That was 27 million, and that's also 27 million. So that's a check to see if you've got them right. Those two numbers are now the same. Okay, so do the same with the second one. So 0.83. So this time you're going to go the other way. So you're going to write the digits there. Now you start there, and you're going to go for minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to fill in with zeros. So check it. There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember to put a 0 point on the front. This one is 8, 3. It goes from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Point goes to there. Fill zeros in. Remember to put a 0 on the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check it. That's got 5 zeros there, 5 zeros there, so they're the same number. Okay, now have a go yourself.